Yeah, so my projects, let's start with that. Have this project, uh, projects in H1. Okay, so like that. Now let's remove it and say sec and see what have we done over here. That it is project container, project H1. Not even sec over here. Stopped it, then again stopped it, then stopped it, then stopped project container, and then stopped project section. No problem. Dot project container, or was it project container? Project or projects container, project container. That was good that I checked it. Width would be 80%. Display would be flex. Okay. Uh, height is gonna be auto. Height is gonna be auto. It is gonna be flex and then align items center. Justify content also center. Flex wrap it up. It's looking like this. Now we would give it to the project. Okay. Dot project with is to min. Okay, min 300 400 px as a min or 80% as a min. So check it and save. Margin calc. Margin give it 20 px all sides. Now see if it is on phone, it becomes like this. Okay, so we don't need a height for the project or anything else. Project H1, border color, zero e 0e. Also font size 0.8 rem. That's too small. Why not? Pretty good. Now let's okay. So let's have our media. Okay, added media. It is for responsive websites. Max width is 800 px. Dot about me, then p width is gonna be 90% so that it looks good. Yes, like this. Go up. Over here we have 99. Make it 97. We have 0.5. Make it 1. And on the height and top, we would keep it 0.5%. Yes. Projects are done. not totally, because we would give borders to projects. First border radius is gonna be 5px. Border is gonna be 1px solid slash RGBA 0,0,0.33. And let's give it padding then. Padding would be 20x. I'm all say 20x, no big deal. And over here 80%, say calc 80% minus 20px. Then 2 1. Yeah, that's looking good. Have our projects ready made over here. Then we have the footer. Footer width is gonna be 100%. No 90. Yeah 100%. Isn't it fine? Height is gonna be 200px. Background is gonna be -f2. See it? That is a tag. We cannot give dot before edge. Yes, this is our footer. Another thing, margin top is gonna be 20px. 100 is getting too much, so 100px. Yes. Then we have in the footer this thing. Okay. This is gonna be in margin auto. Haven't given any width, so width is gonna be 100p. No. Min 400px or 80%. Display is gonna be flex. Height is gonna be 100%. Align items is gonna be center. Justify content is gonna be center as well. No. That is gonna be space evenly. Okay. Yeah. Let's then take these and p tag. Not here. These and the p tag. Transition is gonna be 0.3 seconds or all, and then these, and cursor is gonna change to pointer. Also another thing, that is flex wrap pointer, and yeah, after that dot this this hover color blue. See this? See this? See. So our website is ready. Just we need to add the JavaScript, okay, for this and also for this over here.